Okay, just a very quick video. Changing the plugs on this Jeep Wrangler, 1997, I believe, isn't it? Yeah. So all I've done, I forgot to film it, or I should have done. So I've changed these three first. This one, so 1, 2, 3. So you don't get confused, I make sure you just do one at a time, and that way, or you can label the leads, whatever you want to do. The next one is the one at the front here. And it's right behind this pulley mounting, so you've got to get this off to get to the plug. I also want to check the lead while I'm there, because it's misfiring quite badly. To do that, you've got to undo the tensioner, and the tensioner is here. So you undo that, and then just loosen off that nut on the tensioner pulley down the bottom there, and I think it's a 15 I think it is, yeah. And then just loosen it, and then what we do then, we come to the top pulley. Oh, you haven't got to take the belt right off, well you have, off this, and then just, it should just come off like so, if I can do it without holding the camera. So, there we go. So I'm going to take it all off, just to that bit there, and then we're going to undo these 4 nuts as well. Bolts, nuts, bolts. Okay, yeah, you're not going to get to that plug without taking this off. No, we've done the plug, put the HP on, and now we're going to grab that coil, and we're going to, which is that one there. I'm going to undo it, get the serial numbers off it, and we're going to order that, just to make sure. I don't think it is the coil, but we thought like electronic ignition. It wasn't electronic ignition, but it is electronic ignition. So whether we can get another one for that, I do not know. We'll have to have a look. Just finding the parts. Anyway, so let's get this coil off, which is a 10mm socket, and there's 2. One there, and one just further back, which you can't see. And then we'll undo this clip here, pull that back, and then bring the HT lead out with it as well. Okay, coil out, get the numbers off it, and get one of these ordered. Pretty straightforward, 10mm, spanner each side. We put that back on again, just going to tighten them up, just tighten these up, and then I'll go and tighten up the tensioner, which is, I showed you that one there. You see that? There, see him? Just there, that one there. There we go, thank you for that. You can't see it, but that's what I'm doing, that one there, that nut just there. Tensioner, so I'm going to do it by hand, and you'll see the belt start to tighten up. Do it by hand first, there you go, look. And then just give it a few twists on the spanner. Look at this. I've never known such a nosy cat. Right. Okay, not too mad, that should do it. And then you don't forget to tighten up the bottom pulley there. Alright, that's it. Now I can't do any more. We'll probably do another video when we're doing the coil, because that's not going to come yet. We'll see. I might put the video up, or I might just wait for the coil to come. I'll probably wait for the coil to come. We'll do the whole video in one go. Alright, so we'll catch you very soon. Okay, they sent the wrong coil, but it started up beautifully, so hopefully it might have solved the problem. Just going to go for a quick spin and see if it has. Okay, it seems to be running a lot better. But before, it wouldn't even pull, look. Oh my god, that's 100 times better. It was just like breaking the speed limit, sorry, just testing the vehicle. Yeah, so changing the plug seems to have done the problem. I think we're going to order a coil. We did order a coil, it came, it was the wrong one, which is typical. We get a lot of that, but this is running sweet as a nut. Sorry, I'm driving one-handed as well, keep this down. Right, so definitely the plugs. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like, helps the channel a lot, that would be really great. And that's it, hands down on this one, because I've done it. That'll please the daughter, I'll give her a ring. And yeah, chuffed, and she'll be. Sounds nice as well. See, no stuttering, great. Okay, thanks very much. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.